Okay, here is the Canon Autoboy XL overall conditions, and the bottom part here is the battery compartment. Okay, so we just put accordingly. Here got the indicator showing you need to put at which side. After that, okay, put it inside, then you just lock it. Okay, next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, and here's the film, and you need to slide into it, slide from the bottom to the top. Okay, then the film tip is into here, and make sure that your film is flat, okay, like that. Okay, then you just close it, and here is the different mode you can switch lah. Normally I would just recommend auto will do. Yeah. Okay. So now it's auto load, and when here show figure 1, which means that now you can start shooting right now. Yeah. Then here is the timer setting, flash setting, and the caption setting at here. Yeah. So when you click select, okay, it will blink. Then you just click the set to adjust to the date you want. This one is the year, month, date format. Okay, then switch to another one, like that. Okay, and you can change the format also. Like this one is date and time, and if you don't want, you click like this. Yeah. Okay, so here is the zoom, and zoom out, zoom in, and zoom out. And here's the viewfinder. When you view into the viewfinder, there's the dot at the center part of the viewfinder. Then you just use that as an indicator to aim the thing that you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if it blink like this, the green light, which means that it can't focus, maybe you adjust a bit. Like that means okay, then you just click it. Yeah. And when the environment is dark, it will trigger the flash. Maybe I should try it. Yeah. Now it's charging. Okay. Then this one is the sports mode, night mode, portrait. You auto do the framing. Okay. If you don't want, you just zoom out. Then this one is macro. You also will zoom to the max. Like that means off. Then this one is the S auto mode, sport mode. Okay, sport mode is the spot metering which the camera will sense the center part of the image. Usually this mode is for backlight use, just the object, and if the background light is too bright, you use normal mode, it will be very dark for the object, while if you switch to sport mode, it will be brighter. Yeah. And when you should finish, it will auto remind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.